What up, beautiful people? It's your boy Desi Money. I want to welcome you all to my YouTube channel, especially if this is your first time here. I want to remind you to hit the subscription button so you don't miss out on future updates. If you're already a subscriber, I want to thank you for sticking with me, and I hope I can do more videos that's going to be worth your while. So for this week's analysis, we're going to be looking at our favorite pair, Euro USD. Our time frame for the analysis is going to be 4 hours. But before our analysis, it's always good to take a look at the bigger picture to see what the market is doing. So right here, we go to the weekly chart. This is what we have on the weekly time frame, right? So if you guys remember, last week, we predicted the market going down and creating a new low over here, right? That actually did happen. The market went all the way down, but it was pushed up by the buyers, which means there is strength also from the side of the buyers, and this is causing some sort of an indecision in the market. So equally for this week, we will still expect this void here to be filled up. We expect this void to be filled up, but because the market is full of so much uncertainties, we cannot be so sure if the market is just going to open up and go all the way down, or probably it goes up before comes down to fill this void. But one thing we can say with some degree of confidence, it's that this void should probably be filled in the course of the week. So I would like us to go down to the 4 hours chart so I can simplify this for you guys. Let's take a look at the 4 hours chart. Alright, so here is our 4 hours chart, and if you look at the market, there has been so much indecision. The market has been consolidating ever since this move from the top. Ever since the sellers pushed the market down, the market has been consolidating, and I feel like what the market is trying to do, it's created like a low over here, and this would probably be like a lower high. Alright, so if this is a lower high, it means when the market opens, presumably over here, we should be expecting a move to the downside. Okay, we should be expecting a move to the downside, and if this is the case, we would expect another push back upwards, because we don't just expect the market to go all the way. The market always has that tendency of retracing. Alright, so if the market is supposed to retrace, then it should be coming back to this level over here before eventually continuing its move to the downside. With that being said, I've always told you the market is not so predictable. We try as much as we can with this analysis, but then we cannot always be like 100%, right? So you should always have like a backup plan. So what if the market doesn't go as expected? I'm always giving you guys this heads up just so you can prepare for any unforeseen circumstances. In as much as we have already established the direction of the market, something else could still come up. And in an event such a thing should happen, you should always be prepared for it. So what would cause you to maybe get like the signal that the market isn't going down is if the market should open up with a candle that's bullish and it comes all the way to this top here. So if the market should test this level and probably comes back down again without breaking this point and goes up again, then guys, you should be expecting for a move to the upside. Okay, I hope this is clear enough. Our weekly bias for the upcoming week, as I have already mentioned, would be for the market to go down. But we always have to prepare for an event of if the market doesn't go according to our forecasted direction, right? And that's what I'm trying to point out here. I'm not saying the market will go up, because probability and our analysis has indicated that the market is going down. But what if that doesn't happen? What should be that signal to tell us, to either get out or maybe to trade as buyers? It will be if the market opens up to this level, retest, and doesn't break this area and keeps going up. That would be the hint for you. Whatever the case, if the market opens up and retests this level and takes a move back or back to the upside, you shouldn't be worried about the market going all the way. It can happen, but you shouldn't be worried about it, because if the market should start going down, then our analysis would have already been confirmed, and you should be looking forward to the market maybe doing like a pullback and eventually continuing a move to the downside. I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been insightful. I would have to leave the analysis here for this week, and I hope you guys all have a good trading week. If there is any other pair that you would like, or if you're interested in trading, you just mention that in the comment section, and I will be able to do the analysis for you as well. If there is anything you don't understand about the analysis, or if there is something which you're not clear on, or if there is maybe some concern, you just mention that in the comment section, and I'll be getting back to you as soon as I can. So guys, I'll be leaving you here for this week's analysis, and I look forward to seeing you next week for another great content. Peace.